Hello everyone. I am a little bit late in getting this out to you and actually matching up your peer reviews, but in a few minutes I am going to post the announcement with your peer's name. But I also wanted to, and I'm also going to email that to you as well. I also wanted to make a video to show you how to access your peer's name and their document, at least their document, in another way. So when you're on your course homepage in Carmen, what you should do is click on something you should have over here on the side, on the right hand side. It says View Course Stream. If you click on that, you will get a list of recent activity, and you should all have a thing here that says one peer review on this list in the middle, the recent activity. If you click on that, you should be able to see your peer's document and access it by clicking on it. You can then download it and use it and find the plagiarism problems that are in this puzzle, so to speak. Highlight them, then use comments either in Microsoft Word or Google Docs and tell me what type of plagiarism you found and how they should fix it. Then make sure you put and save that document with the highlighted comments and with the comments on the side to the plagiarism, what is it called? Not the draft to the peer, but the hang on, let me find it. Assignment. Hang on here. It is called the feedback on peer's draft. So that's where you're going to upload it with the comments for me and for your grade. Also, make sure that you take a screenshot of that, and that's where you're going to put it up on your u.osu.edu page. Okay? So again, on your home page, make sure you click on View Course Stream. But again, if you go to announcements, in a few minutes I will have a list also there of your peers and who you need to get their document from. If you don't use the Carmen method of finding your peer and getting their document that way, then make sure you email to your peer and please tell them, please send me the document, the puzzle, okay? And then get it that way. But communication is very important, okay? Talk to you later.